83 divided by 8 using partial quotient. First, let's put our 8 on the outside, our 83 on the inside, your multiplication facts if you need them, and our steps. Does McDonald's serve real cheese? Multiply or divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. Then we're going to start dividing in our tens place because that's our greatest place value. If we have 8 cookies and 8 people, how many cookies would each person get? Yep, they'd each get 1, but that 1 is in the tens place, which is important when we go to multiply, because we're going to multiply on the outside. 10 times 8 is 80. Then we'll subtract. 83 minus 80 is 3. Now let's repeat. We haven't used the ones place, so that's where we're going next. What's the closest we can get to 3 without going over? Well, that would be 0. So, if there were 3 cookies and 8 people, everyone would get 0 cookies. Then we're going to multiply. 0 times 8 is 0. Then let's subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then we'll repeat. Oh, do we have any place values left to repeat with? Nope. So let's go on to our last step of check. Is 3 smaller than 8? Sure is, so that's our remainder. We get our answer by looking at the place values right here. That would be 10 with a remainder of 3.